Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Magical Math Morning Sessions. And you are going to have a mind blowing trick today. You are going to learn it because we are good with squares, we are good with square roots. We know what is the meaning of a cube, but finding of square root can be done either by this method or that method. But finding cube root sometimes become very tricky. But when it comes to the most of the competitive exams point of view, cube roots are not given much with respect to the decimal numbers. They are given based on the numbers of perfect cubes only. So we are going to find a method today where you can find out the cube roots of a number, which is a perfect cubes, in just a flash of a second. You don't need to blink even your eyes also. Once you practice the method, what I say. Right? And for that, first let's recap what is a cube. Correct. If you know what is a cube, any number, suppose we want to find the cube of 3 means 3 raised to the power of 3 equal to what? 3 is multiplied 3 times. 3 threes are 9, 9 threes are 27. So the reverse of this one is also true. If you want to find the cube root of 27, we get 3. No, cube of 3 is 27, cube root of 27 is 3. How do you write this? We write cube root of 27 is equal to 3. Same way, 6 cube, if you say 6 into 6 into 6, 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are 216. So cube root of 216 is equal to 6. Now, the numbers 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343. All these things, these are called as perfect cube numbers. That means these are not having any decimal fraction and not the cube root also. Cube roots are also coming in the whole numbers. So when we have a cubes of perfect cubes, how to find out their cube roots? This is the trick. For that, like I said 2 sessions before, we should remember the cubes of all perfect cubes at least up to 10. But if you know up to 20, it is still better. Let's see here. The cube root of 1 is 1, 2 is 8, 3 is 27, 4 is 64, 5 is 125, 6 is 216, 7 is 343, 8 is 512, 9 is 729, 10 is 1000. If you are interested, I recommend, especially for the higher class students, at least who are there from 8th standard and above, you should know cubes up to 20. 11 cube is 1331, 12 cube is 1728, 13 cube is 2197, 14 cube is 2744, 15 cube is 3375, 16 cube is 4096, 17 cube is 4913, 18 cube is 5832, 19 cube is 685, and 20 cube is 8000. Don't worry, even if you don't know after 11, at least 10 you become thorough first and gradually try to increase your number vocabulary. I call it as a number vocabulary because, like in English, what you learn spellings, in mathematics, you should be increasing your speed of multiplication tables or division shortcuts or squares and cubes. This is your basic number vocabulary. If you try to increase your number vocabulary of the cubes from 11 one day, 12 one day, gradually you can learn up to 20. It's very easy to remember 11, 15 and 20. These things are very easy. Other things also you can find out. Even 16 cube also 4096. If you know the trick of 2 to the power of something, it's also very easy to remember. Others hardly we have 5, 6 numbers. Can't we find them? Can't we remember them? Yes, definitely yes. Now observe the trick for the cube roots. 1 cube, its unit digit is 1. 2 cube is 8. 3 cube is 7. If you see the same thing, the number ending with 1, its cube also is ending with the same units digit. 1 is always ending with 1, either here or here. And the list I have written here. Correct. 2 cube is ending here also, here also. 3 cube is ending 7 everywhere. 13 cube you take, 23 cube, 43 cube, whichever cube ending with 3 in the unit digit, their cubes also end with these same numbers. And also there is a pattern how these will come. Only 2 and 3 and 7 and 8 are having their complement number, tens complement. 2's cube is ending with its complement 8, 3's cube is ending with 7. Obviously, the opposite should also be true. For 3, if it is ending with 7, means 7 it will be ending with 3. 8 it will be ending with 2. For all others, if you check, they are ending with the same digit. 1 cube is ending with 1 only, 4 cube is ending with 4, 5 cube is ending with 5, 6 cube is ending with 6. 9 cube means any number whose units digit is ending with 9, 9, 19, 29, 39, their cube also ends with 9 only in the units digit. Any number ending with 0, obviously it is with 0. Easy to remember. Now, with this trick, let us come to, with this basic knowledge, let's come to our trick. Okay, let's say we want to find out the cube root of one simple number called 1728. Let's take this. How do you find out? First, you see what is the units digit. Units digit is 8. So, what it should end with? I said only 7 and 8 they are having their complement, correct? No, that is 2 and 3, or sorry, no, only 7 and 8, correct? No, 8's complement is what? 2. If you don't remember that, just remember 8 cube is 512. Oh, 8 is ending with 2. Units digit I will take 2. Once you write the units digit, strike off 3 numbers. Cube root 3, therefore 3 numbers will strike off. Only the remaining number we will consider. This number 1 is the perfect cube of 1. So just write 1 here. 1728's cube root is 12. Suppose we'll go to a little bigger number. For example, like 5832. And you want to find out its cube root. 2 means what? It is ending with 8. Correct? No? The unit digit is 2 means the cube root's unit digit should end with 8. Afterwards, what we should do? Strike off 3 numbers. Now, 5 is not a perfect cube. But we should find out 5 comes between which perfect cubes? 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8. 5 is falling between this 1 and this 8. So, what we should do? The lower number among these two, between which the number is falling, that one number you will be taking it as the remaining digit. 1 is the smaller one among 1 and 8. That means its unit digit is what? 1. It's not 2. So 1 we will write 18 is the perfect cube. Only one caution, this works only for the perfect cubes. Let's take 9261. The cube root is what? Unit digit is 1. So it should end with 1. Remove 3 digits. You need not strike off. In mind, you can strike off. And 9 is lying between 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. So it is lying between 2 cube and 3 cube. The smaller among them is 2. So just we'll write 2. That is 21 cube is 9261. Is it a easy trick? Definitely, you can't find a better trick than this one when it comes to finding the cube roots. Correct? Let's take some bigger number. Maybe 13824. You want to find the cube root of this number. What we'll do? Last digit is 4. So obviously the units digit also will be 4. Eliminate 3 numbers, remaining 13. That is lying between 2 cube and 3 cube. Correct? No, 2 cube is 8. 3 cube is 27. The smaller is 2. So I'll write 2. 24 cube is 13824. That's it. If you think this method is short, simple, just type yes in the chat box. Just very easy. Writing the perfect cube. Just if you know the cubes up to 10, maximum numbers you can find out. If you know up to 20, then it is still good. You can expand this one. Just type letter S in the chat box in case you find this trick very easy. We'll practice some numbers. Okay, let's go for this. Let me take 132651. I have selected some perfect cubes. Its cube root we want to find out. If you take the units digit 1, correct? No, So the cube root also will have unit digit 1. Forget about these three numbers. Only consider 132. Now you have to know. Correct? No? 4 cube is what? 64. 5 cube is 125. Oh, it's even more than 5 cube also. Then you check 6 cube, 216. It is lying between 5 cube and 6 cube. So what should come here? 5 should come here. 1,32,651. Its cube root is just 51. Let's take some bigger number. 474,552. Last digit is 2 means its cube root is ending with 8. See, only remember 2387. These are using the complementary numbers. Rest all numbers are using the same number also. That's also very short trick. Correct? No? Now let's find out its cube root. So these three digits are going with 8. Last digit is 2 means 8. The remaining 474 we have to find out. Like if you take 7 cube, 343, 8 cube, 512. It is lying between 7 and 8. In the mind, you should go, oh, it's just above 7 cube. So what we should take? 78. Cube root of this is 78. Isn't it very easy? How about going for a much bigger number? Let's take one bigger number. Maybe like this 1331000. And I want to find out cube root of this. Last digit is 0 means the cube root's last digit also will be 0. Eliminate this. 1331 is the cube root of, oh, it's a perfect cube, 11. So directly we'll write 11. 110 cube is 1331000. Correct? No? Maybe if you consider 7970299. So what we'll get? 9 is the last digit. So I will go for 9. Forget about these three digits. Then 970 you take. 7 cube is, sorry, 9 cube is 729. 10 cube is 1000. So it's less than 1000. That's why 9 cube we should go. 99 cube is 970299. Very big number even if you want to consider also. Let's take 3112136. Now we should see what is the cube root of this. Last digit is 6. So it should end with 6. Correct? No? All other numbers 6 only except 2, 3. Then if you eliminate these two, 3112 should lie between which cubes? Oh, this is little difficult. Correct? No? For that we need to know 12 cube, 13 cube, 14 cube, 15 cube. Let's see 14 cube from the list. If you don't remember, 14 cube is 2744. So we'll take 2744. 15 cube is 3375. Correct? No, cube numbers of 5 always end with either 25 or 75. Okay, 15 cube is 3375. It is slightly lesser than this. So lower number is 14. So I'll put 14 here. That is the cube root of 3112136. It is 146. Isn't it going to save your time? How do you apply this trick in the competitive exam? Before that, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel of Ram's Maths Sir, subscribe to that and also share with all your friends and even press the bell icon to get the notifications of all these new tricks. I'm having a different idea to bring this to the next level in this channel from this Jan 1st onwards. Okay, stay tuned for that one. Subscribe to the channel and share that one. Now let's come back to this. How to use this in the competitive exams? Most of the competitive exams, either you start from the 5th standard, Navodaya Sainik School RMS exams, or 10th standard or 8th standard NMMS, and all these things, and also the higher level exams like RRBs, blanking exams, clerical exams, and all these things, they will be based on the MCQ pattern. There they will give you 4 options. You just check A, B, C, D. When they have given this, if the answers are whole numbers, okay, that means they are not having any decimals. That means that is a perfect cube only. Perfect cube means you go with this trick. That's it. Correct. It's going to save your time a lot. Just even if it saves 10 seconds, It's going to help you in other questions. But just believe me, this trick is going to save you definitely 1 or 2 minutes. Or else, if you go by the traditional method of finding this 1331000, you have to factorize this, find all the factors, group them into three numbers, and then you find out the product of all those representative numbers for each group of three. And it's going to take more than a minute. Even if you're good in maths, it will take at least 30-40 seconds. But how much time it is taking? Once you add the cubes up to 20, it's just a flash of a second. You don't need to write everything, correct? Keep practicing, and definitely with these things, you will be able to say, maths mein to maja hai, correct? No, both sara maja hai. And share these things with your friends and show your prowess and learn these tricks, and you are going to be a mental math calculator. Why shouldn't you be the next Shakuntala Devi? You practice these things and definitely will get. Stay tuned to Ram's Maths Sir YouTube channel for the new methodology, what I'm going to tell from this coming new year. So join live sharp at 7 a.m. every day. Tomorrow morning, we'll see with one more perfect trick. Until then, bye bye. Take care.